Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are learning the use of article, the correct use of article a, an or the. As we know that a or an means only one thing or one article, and the is used to specify something. Let us know and learn what is the difference between them. For example, if we are saying something for the first time, so we will use a. There is a fly in my soup. It means that there is a fly in soup. And if we want to mention something for one time, so we also say that I need a pencil, कि मुझे एक पेंसिल की ज़रूरत है. And if you want to just say some quantities, so we say a couple of, a few, a handful, etc. And for jobs also we use a. I am a teacher. And for exclamation we also use a for singular things. For example, what a beautiful day. And we also know very clearly that a is used with those words which start with consonant sounds, and an is used with those words which is started with vowel sound. We know it clearly. And a means or an means only one. And if you want to just mention something for the second time, we will not say a, we will say the. For example, what is the fly doing in my soup? So in for the first time we used a fly, and for the second time we used the fly. And only one, if anything is only one and nothing else is existing, so we use the moon, the queen, the president, the earth likewise. And with the rivers and seas and oceans, we use the. The Severn is the longest river in the UK. And we use the with superlative degrees. For example, football is the best sport in the world. So we have used the with the best. And we also use the with inventions. जो भी इजादात हुई हैं उनके साथ हम यूज़ करते हैं. द कंप्यूटर हैज़ रेवोल्यूशनाइज द वे वी वर्क. कंप्यूटर ने तमाम जो हम काम करते हैं उस तरीके को ही पूरी तरह से उसमें इनकलाब बर्पा कर दिया. रेवोल्यूशन का मतलब है इनकलाब. And what are the words and in which situations we do not use any article? Number one, exclamations plural. When the exclamations are plural, we will not use any kind of article, any article. What beautiful children you have. We haven't used what a beautiful children you have, because children is plural here. And with meals we don't use article. For breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, I am taking breakfast. I'll say I am taking breakfast. I will not say I am taking a breakfast or an breakfast or the breakfast. And with special places we do not need to use article. We say I am going to school, college or university or hospital or church or prison. And we do not use articles with proper noun. Remember that any word which starts with capital letter is known as proper noun, which is the name of any particular place, particular person or particular thing. So we capitalize that first letter of that word, that noun. And with proper nouns we don't use any kind of article, any article, a, an or the, both, all three. Okay. And for with generalizations we don't use any articles. For example, if we are discussing dogs or cats, as their category, as their own kind, so we will not use the dogs with it, a dog with it. We will say dogs are better than cats, and we are taking it as their own kind. We are taking dogs as their own kind and cats as their own kinds. So this is the difference between a or an and the, and where we don't need to use articles. These are all things which you need to know, and I have almost covered all of them. English Potential channel, I am here with you. Like, subscribe, and share my videos, and comment. Leave a comment at the end of my video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.